Today was a great day at school. Hi, Mom. I'm back from school.
Hello, my dear. Look, I ordered a bicycle for you.
Thank you, Mom. I really love the bicycle, and it's absolutely amazing.
My dear son, can you get some vegetables for me? The kitten went to the supermarket to get vegetables.
I think Mom will like these vegetables. Now that I've got the vegetables, I'll head home.
The black cat is driving the car at high speed in anger.
Oh no! This car is coming really fast.
Oh no. Oh my god, what have I done? I'm getting out of here.
The driver left the kitten on the road and ran away. How did all this happen? I'm coming right away.
Sorry, we couldn't save your son.
The mother was walking home in tears when suddenly her eyes fell on a CCTV camera. The mother quickly ran and checked the video on the computer. Oh no, this is the culprit. Police, come quickly. I have identified the culprit.
No, I didn't do anything. What will happen to me now? This is my fault. I should have drive safely.